ठीक है ना? आगे ले लो, आगे ले लो. ये रोड क्रॉस होता आगे रोक देना.
Hey guys, this is Harsha Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Make Life a Ride. So, time क्या हुआ है भैया?
5 सुबह के.
It's 5:10. I don't know it can focus or not. Yes, it's 5:10 of 6th July. क्या? इससे टाइट करो ना.
अच्छा ऐसा है.
So पूरा निकाल दो. Yeah, he's fitting his helmet camera GoPro for the first time, so थोड़ा बहुत help लग रहा है. Where will I keep those gadgets? And I'll be putting my Rynox Expedition tail bag in the luggage van. Yes, these are the luggage tags. I'll put it in my satellite bag, as well as the luggage that's going in the van. Yes, now we are going. It's time check, it's 5:35 and we are going to drop our luggage. Lobby area. So yes, I'm fully geared up, and as well as नहीं वो ready हो रहा है अभी. He's late. Any day he's late. So yes, it's day 3 and today is 6th July 2019 and route today we are riding to Chandigarh to Manali, 306 kilometers. As you can see, the 1 minute I'll show. The route is Chandigarh, Ropar, blah 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 to Manali, and altitude is 6726 feet. Okay, and this is the regrouping points. Okay, so yes, we are late. Briefing has started, and yes, we are going there.
So today we are going to ride to Manali. That's approximately 306 kilometers. So the route is very simple, but before that I'll explain you how we're going to exit from here. We're going to ride in a file of 2 till the time there's a gypsy in front of us. It's a green color gypsy standing right there. It's going to be leading us for first 8 or 10 kilometers till the time we touch the highway. Okay. Nobody's going to try and overtake that gypsy. We're just going to follow that gypsy in a file of 2. Okay.
We've taken a small but very sure step towards a very important thing, and we know that in a day I'm told about 6 to 8 bottles of water get consumed, and single-use plastic is becoming rampant in usage, and if 12 to 15
So yaar, I didn't expect that my camera went into the time-lapse mode and flag of sub मुझे time-lapse पे आया. When I saw this shit happened, made me a little upset, but no issues. ऐसे सब छोटे छोटे बात पे upset हो गए तो फायदा क्या है? And yes, the ride is going very great. Officially the Himalayan Odyssey 2019 has been started and we are going to Manali. 306 kilometers to Manali from Chandigarh, and we have covered around 20-30 kilometers. Yes, we are going great. There's a lot more to learn from this ride, man. Lot more to learn. And I'm the youngest. सबका ध्यान अपने पे है भाई साहब. बच्चे जैसे देख रहे. कल तरुण भैया ने तो पीठ तोड़ दी मेरी. I literally Tarun sir, if you're watching this video, literally I have a bad pain on center of my back. Oh man, that was very painful. Yes, we have to take the flyover then. Okay, Bilaspur, yes, as they said, will be the regrouping point. Oh man, his exhaust is dope. I don't know the camera is doing justice or not, but I can see mountains and I hope the camera sees too. We have stopped here for a break. Dun, dun, dun.
एक नंबर.
ठीक है, बोलने दो
रास्ता बाकी आगे.
हाँ.
एक नंबर. बस एक ही प्रॉब्लम है.
क्या?
एवरेज की माँ बहन हो रही पूरी.
So yes, we took a break, a small water break, and then we are leaving from there. And time update is 10:30. And I'm not doing engine braking a lot. I mean, I'm almost not doing it. I mean, I'm doing a little bit, but not like the direct 5th gear or 4th gear, say 1st gear, because it's not good for the engine. So we have stopped here for marking. That means whenever, मतलब जो पीछे के जो राइडर्स हैं उनको मालूम नहीं है कि किधर जाना है, तो हम लोग ऐसे खड़े रहते हैं इंडिकेटिंग कि वी हैव टू टेक अ टर्न फ्रॉम हियर. सो यस, दिस इज द मार्किंग. एंड मेरे पीछे कोई दिख नहीं रहा तो इसलिए हम लोग रुके हैं. बाकी लोग आएंगे तो वील जॉइन इन. लेफ्ट एंड राइट. Marking is done, and I'm there. मैं जाऊँ? So we badly stuck in traffic. Traffic! ठीक है ना, आगे ले लो, आगे ले लो. ये रोड क्रॉस होता आगे रोक देना. ये रोड क्रॉस होके आगे रोक देना. आराम से, आराम से. मैं वहीं से देखा बे, कुछ तो ऐसे घूम गया गाड़ी करके. चले सर. ओहो, संभाल के. And that's how Himalayan Odyssey, the first day almost comes to an end. Is everything right or not? क्या हुआ? पीछे का टायर सटक गया. ये गोप्रो. अरे हाँ, ये बेंड हो गया. थोड़ा स्लाइड बेंड है, स्लाइड बेंड है. हैपेंस होता है. हम भी गिरे थे पानी में, भैया गिरे हैं कीचड़ में. अबे वो गाड़ी इस बाजू गिरी, मालूम है कैसे? ये देख. हाँ, इस बाजू. आपका गोप्रो बैग में मजा आ गया. ड्राई क्लीन की जरूरत नहीं है, ड्राई होने के बाद खुद ही गिर रही है. देखो
A few moments later.
खाना खाने जा रहे, मनाली पहुंच गए. लगेज वैन आ गया, अभी लगेज रूम में डालना है. और आज चिंतन भैया को थोड़ा लग गया. किधर है? ये देखो, ये मस्ती देख रहे हैं. कल का रास्ता है मनाली टू किलोंग. थ्रू रोहतांग जाएंगे और कल है 150 किलोमीटर्स के अंदर ही है, तो कल ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा नहीं राइड पे। आज एक दो राइडर्स थोड़े हुए हैं आगे पीछे, गिरना विरना चलते रहता है। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो फॉर व्हाट्सएवर रीज़न, प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन and please comment, share and subscribe. So yes, with that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I am Harsha Krishna signing off. So as always, respect the streets, ride with proper gears and chase your dreams. I'll meet you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Ride with proper gears. उधर है आज रिजल्ट आराम से। बाय बाय।